Want to withdraw your Litecoin to Coinbase Wallet? Here's how to do it step by step. First, open your Coinbase account on your phone or number and head to the Assets tab, find Litecoin in your portfolio and tap Send and copy that address. Now, come to your wallet, find LTC. If you can't find it, I have Trust Wallet. If you can't find it, just scroll down to Manage Crypto and then here tap and type LTC. It's going to appear right here. You can turn it on. So go to LTC and press Send if you're trying to withdraw it from the wallet to Coinbase. If vice versa, on Coinbase, press Withdraw and here press Receive. So in our case, let's press on Send. And here we paste the address that we have on Coinbase. And we choose the amount and we press Preview. And after a short processing time, your Litecoin will appear safely in your Coinbase wallet. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn LTC from Coinbase to your wallet. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.